I'm JakeOfALL, and this is the M12 radio. This radio rocks, but a lot of you have asked me how to fix something about it. And there's other products out there for other tools to put your adapter on it. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to put it on here. But first, and I'm doing this now in this video because 50-some% of you aren't subscribed, but you keep coming back. I don't know if it's me, my wife in the bikini, or just my humor. Maybe it's the beard, I don't know. So go ahead, take a moment, subscribe, hit that little notification so you can find out when I'm doing more videos, because you know my job is to show you cool stuff for your Milwaukee things, your Milwaukee tools, your Milwaukee packouts, and in this one, like I said, we're gonna do this radio. All right, so here we go. We've got this, we've got this, and this is a mess. So packing out, it's PAC_king_out on Instagram. I will put links in the description. Makes this simple little setup. This is a piece of CNC machine, HDPE. It attaches to the top. It gives you a bracket. So I'm gonna go ahead and in real time, put this thing on. There's a little Torx. I'm gonna pull out the 2 back screws. You're gonna grab your M12 installation driver, and it only works if you have this. And you're gonna replace those screws with these little longer ones, okay? And now you still have a handle, but you've got this little indentation. You put the charger on it, and you just wrap. And like always, when you have one of these things, you just find a place to tuck, fold your cord. All right, so there we have it wrapped. You can see it's a place to put your cord. It's on the radio. You can still get your hand under it. Now it's battery operated, so you don't need this, but a lot of you keep asking, where am I supposed to put my charger, my power adapter, my brick, my cord, my whatever with radio? And you know what's funny is I lost mine. I never use it, but a lot of you do, and you've asked for this. And then some of you said, Jake, can you make it? And I say, why make it when someone else already has? So packing out, like I said, I will put a description. In the description, I will put a link for this for his Etsy and his Instagram. He's got awesome content. Might have a few more followers than me, but you know, what can I say? So check him out. Thanks for watching. It's a quick one. So you know what that means. I gotta like do a bunch of stupid stuff at the end. No, I'm kidding. So you just click these videos, subscribe, make sure you listen to the beginning guy, and you know, follow and hit the notification. Packing out on Instagram. Check it out. Thanks a lot, guys. You have a good one.